It says 5.5 16th problem C here. Find the derivative of the function is given to you. F of x is equals to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square 1 plus x to the power of 4 1 plus x to the power of 8 and find the f dash of 1. F of x find out करना है and then you need to find out the f. So here it is given to you the product. F of x is given. So it is not necessary to you to take consider as a y. Y के जैसे consider करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. So taking logarithm on both sides. What do you get here? Log f of x is equals to log of 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power of 4 into 1 plus x to the power of 8. Log of some functions product whenever you are having log ab is equals to log a plus log b. So based on that concept, whenever you apply that one, so log f of x we are going to get it as a log 1 plus x plus log 1 plus x square plus log 1 plus x to the power of 4 plus log 1 plus x to the power of 8. So now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So what do we get here? Differentiation of the log f of x is 1 by f of x. And the differentiation of the f of x can be written as f dash of x. So logarithm of, so 1 by 1 plus x. Differentiation of the 1 plus x. D by dx of 1 plus x. So I'm writing it directly. I'm not writing d by dx of, again the length will increase. So 1 by 1 plus x differentiation is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x square. The differentiation of the 1 plus x square, that is 2x, plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power of 4. Differentiation of the 1 plus x to the power of 4, 4x cube. 1 by 1 plus x to the power of 8, 8x to the power of 7. That's what the problem is. If you write in a proper way, f dash of x is equals to f of x. F of x is nothing but f of x into 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power of 4 plus 8x to the power of 7 by 1 plus x to the power of 8. F of x is what you have. If you want, you can write here f dash of x is equals to. The problems are actually very simple problems, just lengthy problems. Problem is lengthy. 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square. Not more complicated, not more logic is included in all these problems. But the length is more, that's what. And the question is asking you to find out f dash of 1. So x place में 1 substitute करो, simplify to whatever the number you are going to get, that is the final answer. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 square is also 2. 1 plus 1 to the power of 4 also 2. 1 to the power a also 2. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 आ जाएगा. ये 2 by 2 आ जाएगा. This is 4 by 2 आ जाएगा. This is 8 by 2. Don't simplify it because denominator में 2 है. Let it be like that only. This is equals to 16 we are going to get, and denominator 2, 8 plus 4, 15 we are going to get. 10, 15, yes, 2 ones are 2 8, 15 8 is 120. So 120 is the final answer for this. Question is not more complicated, it is simple. Okay, so now the 17th question you see here, it is very interesting question here. This is also lengthy here. Just you can do it in 3 different methods. Only the one function is given to you, and that one function you need to differentiate in 3 different methods. So what are the 3 different methods here? It is given to you. The first method is given to you by using the product rule. Product rule is nothing but UV. And next by expanding, product means you have to expand it product to obtain the single polynomial, and by using the Lagarde differentiation. You can check it. Already we have checked the some other problems also like this. So let us take the given function as a y. Let y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 8, x square plus 7x plus 9. Three different methods are seen. First one, product rule. By the product rule. So by product rule. Product rule is nothing but what? We used to say usually UV method we'll say. So that is only called a product. Okay. So now what you will get here? Dy by dx is equals to differentiating of the y with respect to x. This is equals to x square minus 5x plus 8. X square minus 5x plus 8 into d by dx of x square plus 7x plus 9 plus x square bracket में x square plus 7x plus 9 into d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 8, which is equals to. So what do you get here? X square minus 5x plus 8. Here we'll get 2x plus 7 plus x square plus 7x plus 9 into 2x minus 5. Expand it. What do you get? 2x into x square, 2x cube, minus 10x square, plus 16x, plus 7x square, minus 35x, plus 56, plus 2 से multiply कर 2x cube, 2 से multiply कर 14x square. Just a polynomial only here. I think you can do this. It's not more difficult for you to do. 14x square plus 18x minus 5x square minus 35x minus 45. Now what do you get here? X cube terms, whatever it is there, that you write together. This is 4x cube here together. 10x square here minus 10 plus 7 minus 3 minus 3 plus 14 plus 11 plus 11 minus 5 plus 11 minus 5 plus 6. So plus 6x square. X terms whenever you take 16 minus 35. We are going to get minus 19. Minus 19 plus 18 minus 1 minus 1 minus 35 minus 36 minus 36x
minus x.
Extra. What minus x?
Sir, minus 19 plus 18x minus x.
That's minus x only. Minus x and minus 35x minus 36x only we are going to get. Next, the constant term here plus 56 and minus 45. So 5 plus 6, 11 plus 11 we are going to get it. This is the differentiation. Second method is by expanding the product. By expanding product. So expanding the product, it is us. So y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9. So first you don't differentiate. Okay, x power 4 term. These two, if you multiply, x power 4 term we are going to get. Next, x cube term. I am multiplying it directly, product finding. X cube कैसे आएगा? Plus 7x cube आएगा. Minus 5x square. Plus 7 minus 5 x square. ये दोनों multiply कर लिया तो x square ही आ जाएगा ना. And these two, if you multiply also x square we are going to get. Otherwise, if you get confused, first ये सबसे multiply करो, ये सबसे multiply करो, ये सबसे multiply करो. Problem becomes length ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. You can do in any way. X power 4 है. X cube term क्या आएगा? X cube, how do you get here? This one with x. x cube. This one with this. So x cube आ जाएगा. Okay, x cube आने के लिए there is no other alternative way. So what are two terms we are going to get x cube? 7x cube minus 5x cube. So plus 2x cube I am writing. X square whenever you take plus 9x square plus 9 plus 8x square. And if you multiply these two also, x square minus 35 you are going to get it. So 17 here minus 35 plus 17 minus 35. So minus 18. So minus 18x square. Okay. Next constant term, x term, sorry. X term, how do you get here? This one with the constant, minus 35. Sorry, minus 45, minus 45. X term whenever you take. Okay. X term whenever you take here minus 45 because 9 with the this one and this one with this 7 8 56 56 still more x you will get. No, what do you get here? 11x we are going to get. 9 8 72. This is the product we are going to get. In a single step I did it because it's not more difficult. Dy by dx is equals to 4x cube plus 2 into 3x square minus 18 into 2x plus 11 into 1 plus 0. So which is equals to 4x cube plus 6x square minus 36x plus 11. Whether these two are same or not, you check in both the ways. Coming to the third method is logarithms by using the logarithmic differentiation. By logarithmic differentiation. So one logarithmic differentiation is nothing but y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9. Okay. So what do you get here? dy by dx is equals to dy by dx is equals to, directly dy by dx, no, sir. Taking logarithm on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides. So we are going to get here log y is equals to logarithm of x square minus 5x plus 8. I'm writing directly plus logarithm of x square plus 7x plus 9. Isn't it? Now what do you get here? Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So what do you get here? 1 by y dy by dx is equals to 1 by x square minus 5x plus 8. X square minus 5x plus 8. In the numerator, the differentiation of that one, 2x minus 5 plus 1 by x square plus 7x plus 9. The differentiation of the numerator, 2x plus 7. ये थोड़ा सा lengthy है. In all the problems, if you see that, why it is question is given to you, always blindly product function is given means it doesn't matter that you need to use a logarithms. Logarithms use कर लिए तो length ज़्यादा होगा. ये देखो direct product is easy. Sometimes direct product करना है, sometimes logarithm करना है, sometimes chain rule use करना है, means product rule use करना. Sorry. Okay. So that's why the question is given to you. Why the question is framed, that also you need to understand. According to our situation, अभी दोनों को प्रोडक्ट दे दिया बोले तो हाँ ये लॉगरिथम यूज करना है, ऐसा नहीं सोचना. Okay. So now what to do here? We are going to get the same answer. You see the length of the problem. Dy by dx is equals to y into 2x
Yes,
minus 5 into x square plus 7x plus 9 plus 2x plus 7 into x square minus 5x plus 8 by x square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9. So this is y, I think this total is y, this is y. ये completely y होगा. So in the next step, if you want, you can write here. dy by dx equal to y is replacing x square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9 into by ये इधर लिख रहा हूँ मैं x square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9 into in the brackets this one. So what you got here? This one only, yeah. ये देखो, ये with this one second, and finding that product automatically you are going to get these terms only. But we wrote here this one as a first. So as expanding थोड़ा सा logic use करके इधर से ये पहले लिख दिया तो हो जाएगा 2x cube plus 14x square plus 18x minus 5x square minus 35x minus 45. Next, second one, plus 2x cube plus, sorry, we'll get that one only, minus 10x square plus 16x plus 7x square minus 35x. थोड़ा लॉजिक यूज करना है बस, और कुछ नहीं, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. And simplifying this, we are going to get this one only at last final, that is 4x cube plus 6x square minus 36x plus 11. Obviously we will get, that is the final answer. In 3 methods the answer is safe, but which is easy? This one.
Expanding the product.
Expanding the product is easy. So depending upon the situation, we need to mold. According to the situation, we need to mold. Otherwise, it is not at all correct. वो ऐसे ही करना है, वैसे ही बोला है तो वैसे ही करना है बोल के सोचना. Okay? Is it?
Yes, sir. The unnecessary log increase our 1 to 3 steps, and which is of no use.
Yes. Okay. So now let us move to the next problem here. 18th one. So 3 functions, whenever it is given to you, the product rule, how do we use the 3 functions? And the 3 functions, the product rule, how do we use? That based on that, the question is given to you. Okay. So the question is here given to you, u, v, w are the functions of x. Then show the d by dx of u, v, w. 18th one. D by dx of u, v, w is equals to du by dx vw into plus u into dv by dx into w plus u into v into dw by dx. This is asking to you to prove. It's very simple here. If you want, you can do this problem by using the logarithms also. Okay, logarithms use करके भी we can you can prove it, or directly by taking also you can prove it. So directly कैसे करते हैं? D by dx of u, v, w if it is given to you. 2 functions you consider as a one function. U and v and w को एक function consider कर. So what we need to do here? U into d by dx of v into w plus v into w into du by dx. Vw completely one function I am taking. Okay, so again you need to apply the product rule here in this. ये दोनों में product rule है. V into dw by dx plus w into dv by dx plus vw into du by dx. तो ये multiply करो, u into v into dw by dx plus u into w into dv by dx plus v into w into du by dx. That's all. Nothing is there. That is only asking you to prove here in this. Logarithm use कर ले तो और थोड़ा length होगा. Log use कर ले तो we need to let y is equals to u, v, w consider करो. Log y is equals to log u plus log v plus log w आ जाएगा. 1 by y dy by dx is equals to 1 by u du by dx plus 1 by v dv by dx plus 1 by w dw by dx. Why you need to take it to the right hand side? Already we have solved one problem like this. 1 by u du by dx plus 1 by v dv by dx plus 1 by w dw by dx. So y is nothing but u v w. U v w into 1 by u into du by dx plus u v w into 1 by v into dv by dx plus u v w into 1 by w into dw by dx. Simplify kara, u will get cancelled and bw into du by dx plus v will cancel u w into dv by dx. U and v write in a proper way. Next, w will get cancelled. Plus u into v into dw by dx. Nothing is there in this problem. It's not more complicated. Okay.